What is a perfect chair to you? A chair that is comfortable, practical, beautiful, but still doesn't cost a fortune. Well, you can have it all. Inspired by the concept of multifunctional design, we present you Spyntex. Each Spyntex consists of 61 elements and carries up to 160 kilograms, allowing you to build, well, anything you want. A chaise lounge, a bench, or maybe an armchair. It has never been easier to design a chair. All you have to do is slide one element onto another, and simply by turning the elements around, you can change the shape. The secret of this creative design lies in the shape of the element. As you can see, and this is actually really smart, there's a long side and a short side, and this allows you to create either a curved surface or a straight surface. Spyntex is made of 100% recyclable innovative material. Unlike traditional plastic, it is earth-friendly and very strong. So, use it everywhere and with everyone. Inside or outside with your friends, family, or even kids. The Spyntex Kids version is both an entertainment and a great educational tool. You can play with colors, sizes, and forms. Have fun and develop your creativity. Spyntex also comes with the latest interactive app. Imagine that you can find all possible manuals, or virtually build your own designs, and even test how strong they are. Build something amazing and get it named after you. With the Spyntex app, it's all possible. The value of Spyntex is that you can constantly refresh the living space without wasting any time or money. During this crowdfunding campaign, we offer you an amazing piece of furniture for a very special price. With your support, we will be able to set up the manufacturing process and share the idea of Spyntex worldwide.
This is the Sobro side table, the next generation of furniture designed for your connected lifestyle. Packed with tons of smart features, the Sobro side table is the ultimate upgrade to your bedroom or living room. Thanks to the support of over 2,000 backers, we successfully shipped the Sobro coffee table last October. Now, with your feedback and support, we're raising the bar with our next generation product, the Sobro side table. Need a cold drink in the middle of the night? No worries. The built-in cooler drawer has you covered, and there's also a locking storage drawer too. In the bedroom, the Sobro side table is a next generation nightstand that pairs with our app to improve your sleep. Our app helps you sleep better with a white noise generator and wake up easier with LED lights that simulate sunrise. A motion activated light bar on the front of the table goes on when you get up, so there's no need for a nightlight. Play some bedtime tunes or set the mood. Stream your Bluetooth audio from your phone through the built-in speakers. Or, for even richer sound, you can sync two side tables together. Stay powered up with the built-in wireless charging. We've also added 4 USB ports and 2 outlets on the back so you can charge all your devices. And our cord management system keeps everything nice and organized. Add colorful ambience to your environment with the LED accent lights. Choose your favorite color through our app or control the lights right from the back of the table. With your input, we've created the Sobro side table to complement your busy lifestyle and help you improve your quality of sleep. Whether you use it as an end table or a nightstand, the Sobro side table is designed to support your always connected lifestyle. Finally, furniture designed to multitask. We have a working prototype and have all our manufacturing partners in place. All we need now is your help to start the final production and start shipping the Sobro side table to your home. Please back us today and help make the Sobro side table a reality.
You do the bing while I'm doing the swing.
Yeah, exactly.
Hi, I'm Matt, and this is Andrew, and we're industrial designers from Brooklyn, New York.
And we made Modos. Modos is a tool-free furniture system using connectors and boards to make whatever you want. In cities, like here in Brooklyn, people are moving all the time, and most flat pack furniture is like such poor quality that it's like falling apart when you try to move. Or it was like such a hassle the first time you tried to put it together that you just can't bear the idea of actually putting it together a second time. It's like cheaper to just crush it, throw it out, and buy another one.
Most flat pack furniture takes much longer, and it's much more frustrating. It forces you to buy a product that doesn't last.
We were looking squarely at all these environmental issues in the development of Modos furniture. With Modos, we wanted to make something that was really high quality, that is really easy to assemble and to disassemble, and it doesn't need any tools, you're not going to lose anything.
It's hardware and boards. And when you combine the two, you can make shelves, beds, desks, really anything you like. You don't have to keep buying furniture over and over, which is expensive and not good for the environment.
It's something that's going to keep going with you every time you move.
We created a system that does change when you move.
If you're the do-it-yourself type, you can buy connectors, download designs to make, or make your own designs. We've been through dozens and dozens of iterations. We have working prototypes, and we've gotten a lot of positive feedback. So the Kickstarter funds are basically to set up our production and order the quantity we need to bring the price down. Backing our campaign will help cover the initial manufacturing costs. Modos has been a dream for a long time. Funding our campaign will make this dream a reality.
And in return, you'll have our eternal gratitude, and you'll get Modos furniture at a reduced price.
So thanks for watching, and thanks for your support.